I was unemployed.
I was not working. I was home.
I was unemployed at home, not doing anything, just home, not doing anything.
The reality that has faced these young people and thousands more is being changed because of a timely and relevant program of the government. It's one designed to create fully skilled young professionals, and it's being dubbed the Heart Trust Unattached Youth Program.
What is it that can give us greater happiness and fulfillment than to engage and to assist in those who, for one reason, are weaker in terms of their attainments to do better?
When you look at the statistics, some persons are putting out there as much as 150,000 persons who are out there who are unattached, not meaningfully engaged in any other activities. And so we need to now look at how is it that we are going to treat with that particular group. Of course, we don't have the requisite resources to treat with all 150,000 in any one year. However, the minister has asked that we make a meaningful intervention in treating with those persons from that particular grouping.
We must make Jamaica attractive to investors, local and foreign, on the basis of having the most trained workforce, appropriately trained and attitudinally competent.
And so we have put together a program to treat with the underserved youth and to see how we can best impact at least 15,000, as the minister indicated.
Yes, the Education Minister has mandated Jamaica's national training agency, the Heart Trust NTA, to intensify its focus on the E in the agency's acronym, representing employment. One of the ways that the agency has been doing this is through its Unattached Youth Program, which is targeting youth 17 to 30 years old. The program is now in its pilot phase, operating in northeast Manchester, western St. Andrew, and the community of Seaview Gardens.
The program model is in three forms. First of all, some persons will be on the apprenticeship program that we have. Some persons will be on pre-tech program depending on our assessment as to their readiness to take on the curriculum here at Heart Trust NTA. And some persons will be put on a full NVQJ path where they're on a training program that will lead to the full NVQJ certification, either within our institutions or existing community centers.
So even if you do not have any CXCs, Heart has something for you. You could be placed in the pre-tech program, learning basic mathematics and English to get qualified for the next level. Young people in northeast Manchester are making progress under this program.
Non-verbal communication, poor communication between employees and company management.
At northeast Manchester, there are currently 138 persons who are enrolled across 6 skill areas primarily at Ormwood. So we have 138 persons in this region, and there are 2 locations in this region: the Ormwood Technical High School, of course, and the Shudley Resource Center.
I've been learning a lot because we just finished a unit on communications, and we also did health and safety procedures as well.
Learn about data operation, and it's a pretty good thing. Learn to fit a computer up, learn software skills, and a lot more. I think it would benefit me because we get certified at the end.
So at the end of this course, if they do not land themselves a job within an organization, they can become entrepreneurs because they can open their own computer shops and do their repairs and do their softwares as well.
So how were these unattached youth selected?
We were in contact with persons from the communities, and we asked them to spread the word. We sent out some flyers, spread the word to the young people that this program is coming up and we need persons for the different skill area. They applied to the Heart Trust, and we did for the persons who were not readily qualified with their CXCs, SSE, we had them sit the heart test, and the persons who were successful in the testing and who had CXCs, we had a day where we came up here with our team and we had interviews for them, and from there we did the selection, and then we had a week of orientation for them.
Areas currently covered in the program range from data operations to housekeeping to motor vehicle repairs. Classes are held Mondays to Thursdays at an established time, with some students in the apprenticeship program receiving on-the-job training. As a bonus, students receive a small stipend of $500 daily or $2,000 a week for the duration of their program just to attend classes. More important, at the end, you get internationally recognized certification from the Heart Trust NTA.
At the end of the program, they will be well-rounded. So applying to the hotels or even guest houses or on cruise ships, they shouldn't have a problem because they'll be well-rounded to work in any of these areas. Your shoulders.
Youth with disabilities are also included, as one of the action plans is to offer information and communication technology ICT training to them.
What we're going to do as we roll the program out further is to make sure that persons with disability are not disenfranchised and that we begin to create an environment that will allow persons with disability to be meaningfully engaged.
So for now, the pilot is only in 3 areas. But once that's completed, the program will be rolled out in all constituencies island-wide.
Wherever you have the greater concentration of unattached or underserved, that's the area in which we would want to put our intervention.
And we are hoping that at the end of the day, for all persons that we have engaged, we can place them in jobs. Or for the persons who are so inclined, that we can give them a startup kit to start their own business.
It's going to benefit me because I will be receiving a level 2 certificate from Heart Trust. So that will help me in the process of getting a job in a data operations company.
It has been good. I mean, I wasn't doing anything and now I'm doing something with the hopes of doing better in the future. So any form of upliftment from one stage to the other is always good. Ultimately, I'd like to get a job, then open my own business.
When, not if, when I get my certificate, I'm going to go much further in life. I'm looking sky high.
See, you got to work for the things life requires. Yes, you've got to work for the